Passing an evaluation program from a prop company, how hard can be. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I will show you how I will set up my prop company account, which expert advisor I will be using, and everything you need to know. So for the next 30 days, I will try to pass the first evaluation process. So if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into this video. All right, everyone. So I hope everybody's well today. So in this quick video, I will show you how I will set up my prop trade company account, my trading account from Audacity Capital, which is the most trusted prop company out there. I've been using other companies like Funded Next, and I must say that Audacity Capital are the most trusted over there. They are based on UK and they are in the market for 10 years, so they know what they are doing. So if you don't pass one from their verification or challenge account, you is not their fault, it's your fault, of course. Now in this video I will show you how I will set up my account. I bought a $30,000 account, so you have the first challenge. It will be for 30 day and you have a minimum trading time of 7 days. As you can see, maximum daily drawdown 7.5% and maximum absolute drawdown 15%, and you have to make 10% from your account. So from $30,000 account, I should make $3,000 in 13 days. The drawdown, it will be 4,500 overall drawdown and $2,250 daily drawdown. So I shouldn't, the losses, the daily losses shouldn't be higher than $2,250, which is in my opinion, it's achievable. All right, so I got my details here on my account, on my Gmail account. As you can see, login and so on. Of course, the details, the password, it will be blurred. I don't want you to steal my account. All right, so let's go ahead and for today I will be using a VPS, which is from Forex host. I'll put, anyways, you'll find links for all the tools I am using. You are not obliged to use an VPS. I am using a VPS because I know what that means. You can trade without interruptions, and of course I will be using an expert advisors for today, and I will show you the exact what currency pairs I will be using with this particular expert advisor, which is Forex Diamond EA. I've made a video about it 30 days ago. I think I'll put a video somewhere here about Forex host. Also, I made a video. You'll find a video about it over here, and of course about Audacity Capital. I made a video about their funded accounts, and you can find more details there, or you can go to their website. I told you you'll have all the links below this video, so don't worry about it. And now let's go ahead and for the moment I will set up the Audacity Capital account here on the VPS. Just after you will download the automated setup settings here, you just click here and click next, and it will install the MT4 platform here on your on the VPS you are using, and click here on finish Audacity. And as you can see, we have it here, Audacity Capital MetaTrader. So now it is already open. No, I will have to log in. So the server is Audacity demo. All right, existing trade account. Click here because I already have the details and let's click on finish. And yes, as you can see, we are inside my account here with Audacity, and this is the demo account. So that's pretty much is what you should do at the moment. And from a moment to another, I will install the expert advisor because they allow expert for you to trade with expert advisors. Let me go ahead and I will show you. This is the two-step verification or demo account. This is the Audacity Capital requirements for your on how to pass the evaluation. Traders can trade forex indices and commodities, so you are able to trade forex indices and commodities. Traders can trade over big news and hold position over the weekend, which is a great thing. No lot size limitation and increased leverage of 1 to 100 in comparison with funded trader, which is 1 to 5. To join the challenge, trader must purchase a demo account. I showed you. This is a one-time refundable fee. So if you pass the challenge, you will get your money back from this account. Traders must complete the challenge without violating the rules to receive the refund. Traders can choose to manage an account size they are comfortable with. They will receive a generous monthly profit split of 75 to 25. So when you'll get your live account, you will get 75% from what you are making with that account. We also offer an affiliate program for ability. They can refer a friend and get 7%. Fair drawdown limits 15%, absolute drawdown 70.7.5 daily drawdown, designed to make challenge easier. Once they complete the challenge, they will manage a live account of their chosen account, or alternatively they can choose to join the funded trader program. You can choose to go to the funded trader program, so go to their website to find out more details. And the $30,000 account is 269 pounds, the one that I choose. The other one 15,149 pounds, and the 120,000 is 629 pounds refundable fees. So more about Audacity Capital has been empowering traders since 2012, so 10 years as I told you. So let me copy the number of the, I have it already, have it here, the account number. I will use Forex Diamond EA as I told you. So I will be using this on the pair GBP USD, and this one is GBP USD. Let me go ahead and I'll put it here. Let me put it first. GBP USD. It will be on 15 minutes. All right. Let me close this one. Let's go here and make this one. Let's close the grids. I don't like it. And red. Okay. And that's it. So this one should be 1, 2. And this is the best looking. I'm using bars because I'm used on trading with bars, but also to pass the challenge with this account with Audacity Capital, I will be using also my Telegram group. You know that I have a Signal Telegram group, and I will post here all the signals that I am using daily, so you can follow this Telegram group if you haven't also. So you'll find the link also below this video in the description area. So let me go ahead and I will show you a little bit the this is the Forex Diamond account, and I will have to put here the number of my account to activate it. And now it's activated, as you can see. Oh, let me go ahead. I have to log in again. Forex Diamond, go to activation here, and let me put here the number of the account. That's the way you are. Okay, and you have activated successfully the number. Okay, so in this way I will be able to use Forex Diamond EA on Audacity funded account. Let's go to my VPS here, and the next thing we will be doing right now, I will upload the Forex Diamond EA on, and I have an installer here. Next, The wizard in the MetaTrader program currently running. Please close the program. Okay, I will have to close the program right now. Let me close it. Let me close it from here. Okay, okay. I accept. Next. So we will MetaTrader. I have Trader Stone. No. IC Markets. No. Traders Way. FX MetaTrader. CC CoinEx. So let's leave only Audacity. Yes, I will install it only on Audacity. Next. 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 Run MetaTrader, of course, and finish. Alright, so that's it. I just installed the robot on my Audacity Capital funded account, and as you can see, let me expert advisor. Alright, and I have it here, Forex Diamond. Let me drag and drop this on GBP USD. Come on, allow DLL imports here always. Allow live trading and click OK. And now it is installing the robot here on GBP USD currency pair, and I will use it for the moment only on GBP USD. Why? Because I tested this Forex Diamond EA and the best results I got on GBP USD pair, and I tested this with this Trader Edge app. This is an app that you can test every strategy you want on MT4, MT5 platform, or if you are using TradingView, you can test those one. You just need to put here the amount, the profit, the losses, and you will be able to test which strategy works the best. So I encourage you to use this one. This is also a paid app, but you have 6 days that you can use it for free, and then you decide if you want to use it or not. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for this app also. So let's go back to my VPS, and you just click here on auto trading. Yes, after installation, and that's it. As you can see now, the robot is running here on my Audacity Capital. So that's it. That's I will be using to pass the evaluation process with Audacity Capital. So I will use a VPS, I will use an expert advisor, I will use also my Signal group, Telegram Signal group. So let's see if I will pass the evaluation first 30 days, and let's see. So you'll find everything below this video, all the tools that I am using. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. I will keep you informed about what I am doing with Audacity Capital funded account. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.